One player that continues to rise is UNLV freshman Rashad Vaughn. Vaughn has looked healthy since returning from a torn meniscus he suffered in early February, and a number of teams could use Vaughn's scoring touch and perimeter shooting. One player that could be sliding a bit is Vaughn's teammate, UNLV big man Christian Wood. While the intrigue around Wood's shot blocking and perimeter game remains strong, questions about his maturity are keeping teams from fully buying in. I wouldn't be shocked if the Jazz select Kentucky shooting guard Devin Booker. While Utah's perimeter depth will improve with the return of Alec Burks, who missed the final 55 games of last season with a shoulder injury, more wing depth and perimeter shooting would help the Jazz. Booker may be the best shooter in the draft, shooting 41% on nearly 4 3-point attempts per game. Booker's quick release and shooting were key for the Wildcats. The best defender in the draft might be Kentucky's Cauley-Stein, who not only has the ability to alter shots at the rim, but also the versatility and athleticism to step out on the perimeter and defend just about anybody on the court. That versatility will keep Cauley-Stein near the top of many draft boards despite his offensive game.